Alright everyone, I know there's a glare on the screen, but not a lot I can do about it because the lights behind me are like Mickey Mouse, so I guess there's not. I like this machine, so we're going to give it a shot. We've got the I don't know, Boo Za Zao Foo game with the Power Boost. Okay, so we've got the, I call it the Firecracker game, that's what I call it. So I like to find the ones that are not all the way up to the top. I think that's actually worse. Everybody that I know of tells me, oh, you're leaving the machine with it all the way up to the top. Well, with it all the way at the top and everything filled but one, means that the machine's just not hitting. And that's not the type of machine I want to be at. So let's give this a few spins, see if we can't hit something. Yeah, and I'm gonna ruin this game for you. And any of these Firecracker games that are like this, you see that 50 lines right there? If it doesn't say 50 lines there before the firework goes off, that means you've gotten the bonus already. So if you see that 50 lines or 25 lines or anything like that, you can just go ahead and hit the button again because you didn't bust it. Just trying some low limit action here, see if we can't hit something. That's a decent hit there. 29, 30 bucks basically. Awesome. Good start out there. See that 50 lines? No dice. 50 lines. 50 lines. 50 lines, unfortunately. That would have been a good one. What I'm looking for is I'm trying to double my money. And I'll get up and go somewhere else and try something else. These games can be great when they're hitting and not so great when they're not. So far, it's been a pretty successful little game. We'll just see if we can't hit a little more. I mean, $30 hit on a $1.76 bet. It's a pretty good hit. All right, so we're down. I'll give it a couple more spins. I'm not really liking how this one's feeling on popping those firecrackers, so get it back and we hit a few bucks there. So let's do one more after this one. Yeah, see, that one was trash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it low limit. I'm going to go 2 cents. I'm going to go the same $1.76 bet I was doing. Decent hit. Come on, let's hit some firecrackers. There we go. Alright, so I'm about half my money gone. I'm gonna go to 5 cents. Minimum bet. And I believe that's at 230 or 240. 60 cans. You guys know how I like to just jump around and see if I can get something on different denominations. That's just staying on that same denomination. Just for me, just never works out. So gotta find out what's worked out. And you know what? If we don't hit anything on this machine, we'll go somewhere else and put some money in there. Getting tight. Need a savior. Yep, I think this is going to be it right here. Alright, we see that 25 lines. We know we didn't hit jack, so time to end this, and maybe we'll find another one. Alright, guys and gals, here again. Found another machine right across the way, same exact game. I'm just gonna try put another 60 bucks in this one. It's been hit recently, you can tell. Oh, look at that first spin, only on 88 cents. So it's not like we're gonna get anything huge with this, but hey, can't argue with the first spin bonus. Start out with $3. Maybe we can hit something decent. That's why you always do backup spins right there, guys. I'm going to get you a better view of both screens here. Sorry about that. Got all these little 50-cent, $1 coins. That's fine, whatever. All we got to do is fill the thing up. Just keep it moving, right? Keep it going in there, one at a time. I've never had a grand one of these, but that doesn't mean it can't happen. It doesn't mean it can't happen at 88 cent bet either. Alright, let's save it up top. Oh, we missed that one. How about saving it on the bottom then? That is it. We got a few bucks to add to our money there. I thought I was going to do 88 cents for $10 and then move on to the $1.76. Hopefully we'll get something you can actually get something on, but first spin bonus, can't complain. 88 cents in, $12 out. We'll take it. And you saw, if you rewind the video there, you'll look and see that 50 lines here wasn't there on that last one. That's how you know whether you're getting a bonus or not. I'm not sure if it's a good thing to know that or a bad thing to know that, but hey, now you know it. a good one. Oh, look at that. And did you see? There was no 50 lines there, and we got another bonus. 88 cents is where it's at this time, I guess. They're little, but shoot, it's fun to sit here, and I got a mini already. Look at that. You fill in all those, I get a 5 times mini, which is $50. I'll take that one. Let's fill that blue one in. Oh, let's get some blue ones. There we go. We got a 5X on that one. For some reason, I don't think it's going to give me 5X on the blue one. Not looking like it wants to drop any in there. It's not even going to risk. Oh, wait. Now we're definitely not getting it. Hey, you never know. Stranger things can happen. But hey, if we fill all 4 of them in there, that's $150 hit just for that mini and minor. Yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. Hey, it's still a good hit for an 88-cent spin. I'm not going to complain about that at all. $40 hit for a 88-cent spin. That is a great hit. Coin shower. Grab some of those coins. There we go. All right. $40.50. I will take that. All right. So $20 more, and we have doubled our money, and we'll have our money back from that other machine. So this one's been okay. Let's keep going with it. I'm not gonna fix what was not broke. We're playing 88 cents, and it's working. Don't always feel like you gotta step it up and fix what's not broke. I don't really like playing 88 cents, but hey, here it is. If that's what you're winning on, you just stick where you're at. I'm going to give this down to probably like $90, and then I might bump it up to $1.76. But if I hit another bonus before that, I'm going to stick on 88 cents. Bad chance. We got the dreaded 50 lines, so we're going to bump it up to $1.76. Obviously, the best hit of these is to hit all 3 of them at once. That's the dream. Doesn't happen very often, but it does happen occasionally. Here we go. We got them. See that?
I appreciate it.
Notice I saw it set it before it popped because I saw that there was no extra lines or no 50 lines there. So that's how I knew we hit it. And we got a mini starting out with $24. That's not a bad start. Let's get some more letters in there. We like letters. We hit another minor like we did last time.
Attention here, Central Park. Will Fannie Mae please meet your party at the main entrance? Fannie Mae, please meet your party at the main entrance. Thank you.
Come on, let's save it. All right, last spin. Come on. Make it happen. All right, no save this time. Not a bad hit though. $1.76. We're gonna get I don't know, 50 bucks, 40 bucks. I'll take it. Oh man, it's just a few dollars off of hitting my double up that I'd like to be at before I switch off. But hey, we're not there yet. We're gonna keep going. That'd have been nice. That'd have put us there. Come on, right here. No. Dreaded 50 lines. I could hit at least 2 at a time. Come on now. There's a good one. Come on, hit that one. No. That was some good numbers there. It's like we're giving back everything we won. I don't know if I like that or not. I mean, obviously, I don't like that. So let's hit something, or we're going to switch to 2 cent. See if we can't hit anything there. All right, one more spin. 50 lines. Oh, I guess I'm doing 2 more spins since I called it 50 lines. I already hit it, so. All right. Now we're gonna try some 2 cent. Let's hit something on 2 cent. Come on, guys. We're now down below our $60 starting range. We were almost to our double up. That's why you got to get out. When you hit that double up, you got to get out. But we didn't hit it, so probably should have got out anyway. But hey, here we are. We're gonna make something happen here. I'm gonna go $20 down, and then I'm gonna get out. I see how that red one is almost popped. It's probably not going anywhere. And that's basically half of my chances of winning there. Oh, never mind. We will take that one. There's an accident. I meant to bet 88 cents there, and I forgot I was on 2 cents. So that's a good mistake there. All right, let's hit something good on here. Let's get us back up to our 60 bucks. Come on. Don't leave us hanging with these little 50-cent ones. Get a mini or a minor or a major or something in there. I saw some letters in there. Looks like it's just going to give us all 50 centers, or dollar. I guess that's a dollar hit. All right, we'll take it. Got us back up over our 40 bucks, which I really was kind of wanting to stop at there. Trying to just show everybody some low limit. I'll mix in some high limit content or some higher limit content in there too. It's just right now I just felt like coming in, creating a video, and having a little fun, and wanted to share it with you guys. So hopefully we can hit something else here. Nope. So we got $1, $2, $4, $6, $8, $9. That's not good at all, but hey, we'll take it. It's extra money to spend, right? All right, I'm going to do a few more spins on the 5 cent. Get some good rockets. I mean, there we go. Let's pop. There we go. We got it. Didn't get all 3 of them, but hey, I'll take it. We had all 3 hit. A lot of times it'll pop all 3 of them, but just didn't want to do it this time, so just bad luck. Let's fill up some zones, see if we can't get a little extra in there. That'd be fun. I got a possible on that green 4X one. Got a possible on the purple one. Green or purple. There we go. So we got the green one. Alright, so now let's get the purple one. We'll drop one anywhere, just to save us. There we go. Alright, now we can hit the red or the purple. Come on. Come on. One more. Save us. Yeah, I kind of figured that's what would happen. Can't complain though. It should put us pretty close to our $60, I'd say. Somewhere. We're 67. I'll play it down to our $60, and then we'll cash out and go somewhere else. Good decent hit there. $6, $5.50. Come on, pop it again. That red one, I almost guarantee is not gonna pop. I just do it all the time. It's annoying. Oh man, I went below my $60 again. Oh, I was gonna say that would have been a good mistake too. That's like $150 right there if it would have popped it. Usually I'm better at sticking to my limits. I just didn't realize I was there already. Alright, I'm gonna cash out with $50 and go somewhere else. Probably find another Firecracker machine. We're gonna do some Firecracker themed spins here, so we'll resume at another machine. Hey, alright, we found another machine. It's very similar to the ones we've been playing. It's actually right around the seat. That's the one I was at before. We just moved right over here. As you can see, we don't have any that are all completely filled. I hate that. So we're just going to start with that $50 ticket we took out of the other one, see if we can't pop one open. Dreaded 50 lines, dreaded 50 lines. I'm not liking the 88 cents. I think I'm gonna We'll play it down to 40, and then we'll go up to $1.76. Hate seeing that dreaded 50 lines. That's 50 lines. That should be and that would have been a good hit, but I don't know why it's not. But hey, stranger things have happened. All right, so we're gonna go up to $1.76. Come on, 50 lines, 50 lines. Come on. I'm not feeling the $1.76. I'm going to go up to 88 cents. Or 88 credits times 2 cents. Too bad. Yeah, really not feeling this one, so we're going to go ahead and bump it up to the 5 cent. Got it. Good time to bump it up to 5 cent, I guess. Let's hit something good. Let's have a bunch of $1.25 hits. Like barely half my bet. Come on. The 375 hit. Oh, we can do better than this. Doing too bad. I'd like to see some letters come in here. Or just fill the whole screen. That'd be even better. Fill the whole screen. Come on. See some extra spins. Come on. That's alright. I'll take it. Not awful. Not great. That gives you a little more to play with. And that's what this is all about here. Alright, so now we're back up to 38 bucks. And we're going to stay with the 240. I mean, that's the only thing, only on this machine, that's all we've hit anything on. So let's stick around. 25 lines, 25 lines. Dreaded 25 lines. Now, you see that? That is not what you want to see. That means you're basically locked out and not likely to hit bonus on that one. It does happen sometimes, but shoot, it's super rare. So, if you have a double one, you have a red one, they're probably not both going to pop. Usually when that one pops, it's a triple pop where it's not popping at all. So that doesn't mean we can't hit a bonus on the other So we'll spin this one out. We don't have a whole lot left here, so. All right, that is it for that. Let's what can we do? We'll do 1 cent. We'll do an 88-cent spin just for fun. And it gives me nothing, but hey, enough to do another spin. All right, so we got 33 cents left. I think gonna call it on this one and see if we can find some more firecrackers, different ones. Cash out my big 33 cents. See you guys when I find another machine. Okay, everyone. So this is the game that I like better in the Firecracker game, or also known as the Zalfu with bonus, whatever. Yeah, I like the one with the ultra spins. That zone bonus, I just don't like it as much. So I put in another $60, and we're gonna spin this around a few times, see if we can't hit something. Would have been a great one if it would have popped, but you saw that 50 lines down there. You just can't win that way. Wow, I'm liking all these rockets. That was the dreaded words of death, right? When you say, oh, I like this, and then it gives you no more. Hey, we got it. Look at that. A double pop with $8 starting, or $16 starting, because it's a double up. So that's great for a 88-cent spin. If we can hit some big numbers. Let's do this. Let's hit some more of those $6 ones. Or just 50-cent ones all over the place. That's fine. Just keep hitting them all the way to the end. There's a $1 one. It's at least more than my bet. I mean, come on. About some minis and minors. This would be fun. Guys, you see how I'm walking up to these machines that are not all full up, and I've hit several bonuses because I'm not walking up to these machines that are all tapped out. I'm the guy that gets up and walks away and leaves it for somebody else that thinks, oh yeah, it's good for it to be all tapped out. No, it's not. Understand that machine has not been hitting. That's how it got to where it is. I want a machine that's been hitting because I want it to continue to hit. Can't take a machine that's not hitting, and it takes a lot to get it to hit. Uh-oh. Could we get the $5,108 grand? I'm gonna say absolutely. Why not? If it's not me, it'll be someone else on an 88-cent spin. It's not flashing. Hey, just pop in there. Just sneak in at the end there. Yeah, it didn't happen. That's okay. Let's see what our total is for our 88-cent spin. What? Four spins in. I mean, it'd be roughly $30. It's a pretty good thing for $32. I'll take it for a couple spins in. Sure, why not? All right, so now we're clear again, man. We can hit a triple pop. Pretty easy. Wouldn't be bad to reset that ultra spins before a triple pop. I don't know why. It just seems like triple pops happen the most when you just don't have very many just when you least expect it, that's when it's coming, right? Not bad. Let me know how you guys in the comments. Let me know how you like my new mic. I know my last video was really bad. Just I didn't have a mic. I was literally relying on my microphone for my phone, and a lot of you guys told me, it didn't sound very good. So we worked it out. We got you a microphone. Hopefully this sounds a lot better. I didn't know how to use it the last time I was here. I recorded a couple videos. Had a really good night on the 9-line $1 denomination spins. Did really well, but had no sound in the videos. So if you'd like me to somehow edit those where you could see it, I will. Just let me know in the comments. Hey, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's really important for the channel, and something I don't push a whole lot because I don't like to beg people for things, but you know, if you could, it would really help out. You gotta get those 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized, right? Everybody needs that. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm going up to $1.76. I got bored with 88 cents. Just keep seeing that dreaded 50 line. That's not a good sign, folks. Not a good sign. Alright, do a couple more spins here, $1.76, and then we're gonna go up to, we'll still do $1.76, but we're gonna go up to 2 cents. You know what? I think I'm just going to jump straight to 5 cents. That's where we've been hitting the best today. Let's see if we can't do it again.
Attention parents, Christopher Park. Christopher Green, can you please come back up to the rewards desk? Christopher Green, please come back up to the rewards desk. Thank you.
Well, let's just pop this before we see. That's what you don't want to see right there with that ultra spins. If I wasn't making a video, I would just get up and go somewhere else because I hate it when that happens. I mean, the only time I ever stay is I'll just spin the rest of it out when I'm doing a video, just because, you know, I want to give some good content, but I don't want to have to jump from screen to screen to screen to screen. But I just hate it when they get tapped out like that, and that double up on the red one is almost tapped out, so it's just not a good situation to be in. And now we got all three of them almost. I mean, you got the ultra spins tapped out, and the double up and extra spins are all the way tapped out, or one pop from being tapped out. It doesn't usually end well with this setup, but hey, we're on our last couple spins. And that's all she wrote, guys. Thanks for watching tonight. I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. I think that's a couple $100 down. For playing these little fun spins, it's not too bad. I'm sure I got, you know, a few $100 or maybe a couple hundred points, $1,000 worth of spins for $200. So that's some good points. Good. Not a lot of comps for that little bit of points, but hey, I think they're having a free luggage or something this time, so maybe I'll get some free luggage. I'll throw that in at the end if I get over there, and we'll see what's going on. Sometimes Caesars or Harrah's Hoosier Park, here where I'm at today, does things like that where they give you like free luggage or something. So hopefully I got something for my $200, and I'll let you know. Thanks. Have a good one.